Pannkaj, let's get started with a question that's coming from Gayatri Balakrishnan. She says that she wants to buy a property of 1,161 square feet where they are asking her to pay service tax at 5.75%. Now, it is a ready-to-move-in flat and she's being asked to pay service tax and VAT. She wants to know if it is right, if the demand is right, if it is fine to do that.
See, after 1st April 2016, the distinction, there were earlier two rates of service tax. That distinction has been done away with. So now the service tax is payable on 30% of the value of the property and the rate of service tax is 15%. So the effective rate is 4.5% of the value of the property. Now this service tax is payable if you are buying from the builder and the builder has not yet received the occupation certificate. Similarly, VAT also is to be paid only if you are buying from a builder and that is prior to the receipt of occupation certificate. If both of the, in case the occupation certificate is already received, then there is no need to pay either the service tax or the VAT.
Right, but at 5.75%, you said with abatement comes to 4.5%. So yeah, obviously she's being asked to pay more.
Yes.
So Gayatri, two things here. First, you need to be very clear about what kind of property you're buying. Has it received an occupancy certificate or an OC? If it has received the OC, then you are not liable to pay service tax or VAT. However, if it has not yet received the OC, then yes, you have to pay both service tax and VAT. But however, you need to check with your developer because you have to pay service tax at 4.5% and not 5.75%. That is something that you need to keep in mind. And of course, apart from this, you'll also have to pay a TDS. If you could just elaborate a little bit on that, Pannkaj.
Yeah, TDS is to be deducted from the amount you are paying to the builder or from any purchaser. Supposing you are buying from any seller, then whatever the amount you are paying to him, then you have to deduct 1% TDS and deposit it with the government. And a commensurate certificate has to be given to them so that you are not paying that 1% in addition to your consideration. Supposing you are buying the property for 50 lakhs of rupees, then 50,000 is the amount of TDS which you have to deduct and deposit with the government. And the seller will be able to claim the credit for that once you give him a certificate that you have deducted 50,000 rupees TDS.
Right, so that's another thing that you need to keep in mind.
You can watch live TV on our website mpnow.in. Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/magicbricksnow. And don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at magicbricksnow. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/magicbricksnow.